Hi lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you two nail art tutorials. One is a funky tiger print nail art on pink nails and one is a subtle light pink nail art with small flowers in it. Both nail art are suitable for spring and summer season. First let's start with the tiger print nail art. For the base coat I am using a poppy pink color. The nail polish is from Miniso in the shade Cotton Candy. Generously apply 2 coats of nail paint on your nails. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. To make the tiger skin design, I will be taking the black nail paint from LE18. With that, I will be requiring a thin nail art brush. Dip the nail art brush into the black nail paint and then start making lines on your nails. Make small wavy strokes from corner of the nail to the center. If you want, you can join me on my Instagram account as well. I post makeup, nail art and skincare related content there as well. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. I would be very grateful if you support me on my content creation journey. After completing my left hand, I will be doing my right hand as well. And then I will be finishing off this nail art with a top coat. The top coat is from Gala London. You apply top coat and you see that your nail art will last for more than 2 weeks. That too without chipping off. I keep on posting my nail art updates on my Instagram stories. You can check them as well. My first nail design is complete and now I will be moving on to the second nail design, that is the soothing pink color nail art with blue flowers in it. Here I am taking a subtle pink color. Apply 2 coats of this pink color on your nails. If you wanna watch these nail art tutorials that are popping right here on the screen or the eyeshadow tutorials that are popping right here, then you can check the video in the description box or the I button, link will be given there. To make the nail design on this nail paint, I will be taking 3 nail paints, one blue, one aqua and one deep pink. Take the blue color and make the tip of your nails blue. You can directly use the nail polish brush to do this step. I will be doing this on the 2 nails only and then I will be making the flowers on the other 2 nails. If you like these designs, do not forget to hit the like button. I will be making mini flowers with a nail art brush. First I am taking the deep pink color and making small strokes. I will be making 5 petals. So keep your hand steady and gently start making lines from outside to inside the flower. Instead of a nail art brush, you can use a toothpick as well. Then I am taking the K-Beauty nail paint in the shade Seabed and I will be making the same flower with that color. To make the process seamless and not messier, you need to coat your brush with nail polish very nicely in each step. Never use dry brush to design your nails. Now I will be taking a dotting tool and I will be making the center of the flower. For the pink one I will be making the aqua dot and for aqua one I will be giving the deep pink dot. This nail art design is complete. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. If you recreate this nail art, then don't forget to tag me. Check out the left video to watch the types of eyeliner and the right video to watch the full makeup tutorial. See you in that video. Bye bye.